So welcome back students again to discuss the special doubts of simultaneous linear equations. Now we will discuss the questions involving mixtures, percentage composition in a solution. How many gallons of 30% alcohol solution? This question number 20th. How many gallons of 30% alcohol solution? 30% alcohol solution means what? Do you know the meaning of 30% alcohol solution? It means that if there is a beaker or a bucket having 100-liter solution, okay, 100-liter solution. So it has two things, 30% alcohol. So do you know the value of 30% of 100? It is 30 liter only, means it contains 30 liter alcohol. If we take 100-liter sample of this solution, it contains 30 liter alcohol, and rest 100 minus 30 equals to 70 liter other things like water, etc. Mostly water. 70 liter other. Means it the 100 liter of this solution will contain 30 liter alcohol and 70 liter other things. If it is 30% alcohol solution. And the second thing is how many 60% alcohol solution. So if we take in other beaker, the other solution, which is 60% pure. 60% means if we take 100 liter of this solution, it contains 60 liter of alcohols. And rest 100 minus 60, that is 40 liter other things. Solvent, we can say solvent. Means it contains alcohol as well as the other things, 40 liter. And when they are added, they are producing 50% solution. Means the resultant solution is, if it is 100 liter, then only. I am not telling that we are taking 100 liter. This I am taking only as the example for this. So this concept must be used. So how should we solve these types of questions? So let's discuss this. If it contains 30%, means 30 out of 100 liter will be alcohol, and the rest 70 liter will be other impurities or the water. Okay. So in these types of questions, these two are added. These two types of solutions are added, and we have to find how many gallons of each must be added. So first we assume let X liters of first type solution, that is 30% alcohol solution, is added to Y liters of second type of solution, that is 60% alcohol solution. First of all, we assume that question number 20th. Let's assume that X gallons, it is given in gallons. Gallons is also a unit of volume. It is a type of box actually. So let's assume that X gallons of first type of alcohol is 30% alcohol solution, which contains only 30% alcohol and other impurities. So let's assume that X gallons of 30% alcohol solution is added to the second solution, which is 60% alcohol. 60% alcohol solution means from first bucket we have taken X gallons, and from second we have taken Y gallons. Alcohol solution is added to 60%, Y liter of 60% alcohol solution, Y gallons actually. Y gallons, okay. So let's assume that X gallons of 30% alcohol solution is added to Y gallons of 60% alcohol solution. To produce 18 gallons of 15% solution, this is also correct. Okay. So the total amount of solution which we get is 18 gallon. Look at this. We are getting 18 gallons of solution and we are adding X gallons of first type with Y gallons of second type. So the total solution which we are mixing is X gallons of first type solution and Y gallons of second type of solution. So the total solution is X plus Y gallons. Condition 1 we take from the amount. This is same as the quant type questions. The total quantity of solution equals to X plus Y gallons. We have added X gallons of first type with Y gallons of second type. But according to question, total quantity of solution is equal to 18 gallons. We are getting 18 gallons of mixture. Therefore, they must be equal, means X plus Y equals to 18 must be the first equation. So then we will discuss about the percentage in condition 2. First we write percentage of alcohol in first solution. So what is the percentage of alcohol in first solution? Look at this, it is 30%. Percentage of alcohol in first type of solution is 30%. So we write amount of alcohol. Amount of alcohol in first solution. So what should be the quantity or the amount? It must be 30% of its quantity. And we have taken X liter of first type. So 30% of X. That is 30 by 100 into X. That is 30X by 100 gallons of alcohol. Then again we write percentage of alcohol in second solution. So what is the percentage of alcohol in second solution? So it is clearly given, it is 60%. So by this we can find the quantity or the amount. Amount of alcohol in place of percentage. Whenever we write quantity or amount, we should multiply them. Means 60% of what is the total quantity? Y gallons only. So it is 60 by 100 into Y. That is 60Y by 100 gallons. Again, the total quantity is 80 liter. So percentage of alcohol in resultant solution. What is the percentage of alcohol in resultant solution? It is also given in the question. Percentage of alcohol in resultant solution equals to, what is the percentage of alcohol in resultant solution? So look at this, it is given 50%. This is 50%. So then we write 50%. And again, it is the amount or the quantity we can write. Amount of alcohol, it will be the percentage of total quantity in resultant solution. So it is 50% of total quantity, that is 18. That is 50 by 100 into 18. So it is 18 5s are 90. 900 by 100 gallons. I am not cancelling this 100. Why? As according to question, the total quantity of alcohol in both the solution. First solution has 30x by 100 gallons of solution. Second solution, what is the amount of alcohol in second solution? It is 60y by 100. And on adding, what is the total quantity of alcohol in resultant solution? It is 900 by 100. So all are equal. 100 will be cancelled out from all three. So 30x plus 60y equals to 900. Divide throughout by 30. So x plus 32 is 60y equals to 30. 30 the 900. This is equation number 2. And equation number 1 was x plus y equals to 18. Subtracting this equation, x plus y equals to 18. Subtract it. X will be cancelled out. 2y minus y equals to 12 gallons. And y equals to 18 minus x from first equation. So 18 minus 12 equals to 6 gallons. Clearly, 6 gallons of first time. This is x actually, not y. Y is 12 gallons. So x equals to, wait, this also. X equals to 18 minus y. Y we already have calculated 12. So it is 6 gallons. So x means 6 gallons of first type, that is 30%. Na? %, is added to 12 liters of 60%. 6 gallons of 30% is added to 12 gallons of 60% solution. That's it. Is that clear to you? So if you have any doubt, then write in comment box. Hope you must have understood how to solve these types of questions. In place of percentage, we have to write quantity or the amount. And then we multiply the percentage with the total quantity to get the total quantity of alcohol. Similarly, sometimes questions involving adulteration in milk are also given. So further, we will discuss the other things in next session. Solve it yourself and continue to ask your doubts.